Spend any. Fuck, do we have banner? Can we buy banner somewhere? Careful, careful, careful. Upwards, careful. Yo, heal my west side, heal my west side. Marlika, look at southwest on the gate. Southwest on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on the gate. Gate. Can we kill? Come back. Do you have a... Wait, I need to get banner first. Fuck, man. I don't have banner. Does anyone have banner here? No. How big are they? 21. Yo, careful, they're looking. Yo, once Orius goes golem, we full engage on him. Just wait. Niga, I need banner. Yo, listen, can I get an officer go to Verge right now, get a banner? Someone, Marlika?
777.
Yeah, can you? Yo, careful, they have a... Yo, no, careful. They have a bomb. Yo, careful, everyone, look, defend shallow. Look at southwest, everything southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest now. Alright, come back. Yeah, I'm waiting for my guy to get banner. Just wait. Eat up. They're level 33. Where's the other reserve? They're level 24 now. Okay. Yo, careful southwest. They're gonna come out. Yo, listen, once Urius we headbutt. Urius is gonna come out. He's gonna go golem form. Ready healing hood on the gate. On the gate, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, gate. In full defenses, come back. Heal up. Heal up front line. Stop staying there in the choke. Oh, they opened the gate. What the fuck? Can we stop them from closing the gate? They're gonna try to close it. Hold on. You get ready to engage shallow. Look at the guards. Wait. Urius looking. Yeah, shallow on the guards. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow guards. Come back. Careful, Urius is gonna look here. Ready defenses. Kill the guards up front, guys. Q's and W's. Tell me when you get banner already.
Almost the bridge. They're asking for
Careful. Bum. Whoa. Gorgo, no. They have Envy bomb. Careful. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Kill the guards. Careful. They're gonna engage shallow. Careful. Ready. Defend shallow. %. Now. How big are we? 29.
Bum.
Heal up. Yeah. They're fighting. They're fighting all rise right now. They're too big, man. They're fighting inside Terry. Yo, OC. Everyone get ready to counter. Ready. Wait. Yo, Marlika, ready your jackets. Yo, listen, when I go in tanks, can you look at the Envy Heron bomb and just stop it?
Bum.
Yo, stop sticking to the wall. Why you guys still on the wall? You guys know already, right? Chipmunk and Athena. Everyone look at the gate. Everyone walk in. Just walk. Listen, just walk in. Yo, listen. Jacket. Look at west side. Look at northwest on the bomb. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on the bomb. The bomb. Kill a bomber. Wipe them here. Nice one. Now listen. Spread. Ready clericals here. They're gonna engage on the choke. Spread. Ready defenses. Okay. You come back one by one outside. Come back one by one outside. Listen. Come back one by one outside. Ready defenses. Full defend on the choke now. Heal up. Yeah, nice. Heal up only. Good. Just come outside. Just click it outside. There. Click it outside. We're good. Nice, somebody dead. Kill Ilya inside. Yeah, the bomb squad dead. Yo, where's the banner?
Almost in plane.
Okay. I'm gonna give you perms to drop it. Just drop it. Just get 50 OC. Just drop it when you come inside. And we start sieging slowly.
Nasa T6 lang to. Yun lang available.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Yo, Marlika, shallow up ah. Ready defenses coming back ah. Ready disengage ah. Wait. Shallow on this tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow this tank. On this tank. Tank. Kill this tank. Come back. Ready defenses. Careful over the wall, boys. Careful. Stop sticking to the wall, boys. Heal up. Good job. Are you there? Can you drop banner already?
Ano, halfway.
Okay. Halfway, where? Incline?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Malika, shallow. Get ready. Careful front line. Kill the guards.
Care. May ano sa incline, gankers.
Yeah, careful,
Dismounted,
agankers sa
dogbox.
incline.
Yeah, dismounted.
Fuck.
No. You're good.
Dibobs.
Everyone get ready.
Yeah.
Gawa na nakatadoy ah.
Go.
Yeah, Malika, get ready, shallow. Wait. Just hold. Shallow on the tank inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the tank inside.
Willing, may
Come back. Ready. Defense on the choke. Yo, give me guardians on the choke. Give me defense on the choke. Nice, and heal up. Just drop banner already when you're here. Are you there? Gerald, where are you?
One thing.
Okay. Yeah, listen on the guard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill guard. Careful over the wall. Careful front line. Heal up. Careful front line. Okay, nice. Start smash. Careful. Shallow. Get ready. Inside 5. On the tanks inside. 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we kill the tank inside? Kill the tank inside. Kidnap this tank. Yo, NV was stacking. Careful overall. Heal up. Yeah, start smacking the fucking walls, man. NV. Careful. I can just send it inside. Wait. I wanna kill the guard shallow first before. Yo, Malika, look at me. Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me on the guards. Kill the guards here. Careful, Orius looking. Just kill the guards here. Just smack the walls also, boys. Malika, get ready. Look at me on the guards. We kill the guards, then we can come in. Wait. Shallow on the guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow guard. Kill this tank also inside. Nice. Heal up only. Careful. Ready defenses.
Hindi ko alam mechanics ng banner doy. Drop ko lang.
Yeah, just drop it. That's it.
Dropping ah.
Yeah, just drop it. It's fine. Where's the banner? Okay. Smack this gate. Oh, they fucking opened it again. What the fuck? Yo, Kajax, I'm gonna go in real soon. Just wait. I wanna go south. Heal up. They still have another engage coming. Just wait. Hold the west side. Ready to hold the west side. Yo, listen. Wait. Yo, Miss Walker jacket in. Just go deep. Just jacket in. Go deep west side. 5, everything. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep. Holy shit.
Oh
nice
my
one.
god.
Come back, spread. Nice, spread inside. Yo, spread inside. Just spread and brawl inside. Kill this inside. Nice one. Kill everything inside. Nice one. Heal up. Loot up. Heal up. Kill everything here. Yeah, careful, might get bombed over the wall. Careful, bomb. I think they're dead. I think they're basically wiped.
Reds die.
Yo, I think we fight TFD after. Yeah, we fight TFD. Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill major. TFD 85 people. They bank AR. They said after 15 UTC. Wait, let me check. I did defending castle or anywhere. Careful front line. Yo, heal my front line. Smash this here. Yo, on the guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guards. Yeah, TFD is still building hideout. We can fight them after. They're still dropping hideout, so just wait. After 15 UTC we fight TFD 80 people, 85 people. We how many people we are? Level 31. Yeah, can. Heal frontline. We just focus on this first. Yo, Marlica, get ready. Inside on the tanks inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanks inside. Come back here, see. How big are they still? They still masked. Fuck, they still level 14. Are they coming back? I wonder. We have 20 minutes, so see. We can do one fight, one round against TFT. Smash the gate. What? Careful up front. And they are still level 14. They're not regearing. Only the relation is left here. Careful over the wall. Damn, that's a lot of realm breakers. Yeah, what's that blob behind? That their ally? Oh yeah, they're level 20 now. They're level 20. They're regearing. Yeah, smash this walls here. Are they going out? No.
Dandy, can you pass it to me? I'll mark the in.
Yeah, I think they're running. Yo, come west. Are they running? Come west.
They're holding
they?
inside. They're holding
Are
inside.
they holding inside? Yo, careful. Can we? Yo, come north. Mali, come to me. You guys are following the bomb squad again. Come east. Mali, come east to me. You get ready. Just walk. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Now come back fast. Careful, there's still mage. Come back fast, boys. Mage is gonna be painful. Yo, heal my bomb, heal my bomb, heal my bomb. Shibal. Yo, everyone, heal my bomb southwest, heal my bomb southwest, heal my bomb southwest, heal my bomb southwest. Heal my bomb southwest. Heal them southwest. Yo, listen, we kill guards first, then we can stay here. Kill guards first. Malika, come to me southside. Come to me southside. Hey, come to me. Wait. Inside on the guard. 5, kill the guards. 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on the guards. Kill the guards here. Okay, we brawl the guards. So less pressure. Kill the guards. Kill the guards and we can start killing them on the mage. Kill the guards, boys. Careful north side on the choke, Careful north side on the choke. Heal up. Everything inside. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Kill the guards here. Alright, good. Now hold. Alright, come west side here. We clear the west side now. Help the bomb there. North side. You have the bomb on the choke. Kill the bomb on the choke. Yo, wait. Yo, Malika. Listen. We're sending it. Come and see. Come east. Yo, I'm gonna go behind. Come na yan. Come in. Come northeast. Ready to jacket in, okay? Yo, listen, jacket in, just go in. Jacket in, just go in. Going deep. Southwest deep, west side deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side deep. Superman this shit. Okay, nice one. Now spread. Try to go back. Okay? I'm trying to open this for 6-0. Try to go back and heal up. Okay? We still have cooldowns. Just wait.
Hill front.
Heal front line. Yo, Malika, get ready. Hold this tank. Hold this here. Yo, walk in on the choke. Everything on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's already wiped. Just kill everything here. Come back south. Heal up and come back south. Yeah, listen. Some of the healers switch to revive. Help the people that's down. Yo, come south. Leash the mage. Come south. Careful. Yo, one healer switch to revive. Malika, look at the mage. Everything on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything mage. Kill everything on the mage, okay? Come back south. Yeah, listen. Revive Hecate. Yo, revive. Yo, careful south. Come south. Yo, listen. Leash the fucking mage, man. Yo, a lot of people are still frontline. On the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Come back. Heal up. Puta na, down na naman si Ekte. No! Oh my god. Come back south. Yeah, okay, come back south. Heal up. Yeah, Malika on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Just kill mage here. Mage is almost dead. Come south. Okay. Heal up. On the mage, everything get ready. Hold the mage, everything on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on mage. Yo, kill the mage here, Malika. There's the DPS. Kill the mage here. Okay, brawl the mage. Heal me. Brawl the mage. Demons inside, okay? Yo, listen, walk in. There's no more mage. Yo, kill everyone inside. Kill everyone inside. Yo, where's the banner? Can you drop the banner? Yeah, I raid and siege this maybe tomorrow. We see if we get content here tomorrow. Okay, listen, Marlika, yeah, the Regears we regroup in Drifudalo. Yeah, listen, Henry, Kajax, I'm gonna bank loots first in like a den in Drifudalo. Then we go like Parch and Cliffs. We fight TFT there, PSC. Just one set, no regear. Since we both regearing far away. Kajak Henry, you guys hear me?